So as of now, we have created a single node that is on form submission. And with the help of this node, we will ask the user to upload an output image, and also the user will provide a single or very simple prompt. Now the next is we want a node, and that node will upload the output image to an image hosting service like IMGBB and returns a publicly accessible URL that can be used in the next steps of the workflow. So here you have to add HTTP request and the method should be post. Now we are looking for a website where we can upload the image. So I'm going to use this website, that is IMGBB, and just create an account in this website and then click on about, and here we have option to create the API. Just click on it and then get an API key. It will provide you the API key, and just scroll down, and this is the example which will help you to create the link. So let me copy this one, come back to the notepad here. And we have already created the API key. Just copy this one and paste. So this is the URL that is required. So just copy this URL, come back here, and here you have to paste this URL. Just scroll down, send body, and here we have to use few body parameters. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I will continue from here.